morning, students. So, in our last English class, we did unit number 4. It's poem, sea song, the new words and the meanings also. Today, we are going to start with the workbook portion. So, children, open your workbook and come to page number 29 and start writing as I am explaining you. First, the question answers are given. See, answer the questions in that. Number 1, where did the child find the seashell? So the answer is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand. उसको कहाँ मिला था वो shell? तो it was lying on the sand. Okay. And find का we'll write the past tense, that is found in the answer. The child found a seashell lying on the sand. Second one, what did the child do with the shell? So उसे क्या किया shell के साथ? Answer is, the child picked up the shell and took it home. क्या किया उसने shell उठाया and then took it home. So the child picked up the shell and took it home. Number 3, what did mummy do? मम्मी ने क्या किया? मम्मी held the shell near to the child's ear. क्या किया उसने? शेल जो था वो जो चाइल्ड था उसके ईयर के बाजू में रखा. So मम्मी held the shell near to the child's ear. Number 4, what did the child hear? उसे क्या सुना? The child heard a soft, clear and sweet song from the shell. Soft और clear and sweet song shell में से सुना उसने. Number 5, why was the child surprised? The child was surprised to hear the song coming from the shell. The child was surprised. वो surprised क्यों था? To hear the song coming from the shell. कैसे? shell में से song या आवाज़ कैसे आ रही है? Okay. Now second one, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. That is MCQs, मतलब multiple choice questions. So in that number 1, where do you find shells? Shells हमको कहाँ मिलते हैं? तो that is option B, मतलब सी शोर. ठीक है, सी शोर पे हमको shells मिलते हैं. Number 2, what did the child find? उसको क्या मिला? तो that is shell, मतलब option number C, option C. The shell was dash. Shell कैसा था? It was curly. तो option D. Number 4 is, where did the child find the shell? उसको कहाँ shell मिला? तो that is on the sand, मतलब option A. 5, what did the child do with the shell? उसने shell के साथ क्या किया? तो he took it home, मतलब option B. Number 6 is, what did mummy do with the shell? मम्मी ने क्या किया? तो held it to the child's ear, मतलब option C. उसको child के ear के बाजू में रखा. Number 7 is, what did the child hear? तो a song, मतलब D option. फिर next page पे will come, that is 8th number. The song was dash, तो it was कैसा था? Soft, sweet and clear, मतलब option A. Number 9 is, what did the child feel on hearing the song? ठीक है, उसको कैसा लगा? तो that he was surprised, मतलब option B. Which word in the poem rhymes with hand? अब राइमिंग वर्ड्स आ गए हैंड के साथ. इट इज सैंड, मतलब ऑप्शन सी. विच वर्ड इन द पोएम राइम्स विथ ईयर? तो इट इज क्लियर, मतलब बी. विच वर्ड इन द पोएम राइम्स विथ ट्रू? तो इट इज टू, मतलब ए. ट्रू, टू. ओके, देन number 3 question is, write the opposites of the given words. Opposites दिए, opposites we have to write. जैसे first one is took, उसका took मतलब लिया, तो gave, GAVE, took का give. Number 2 heart, उसका soft. 3 inside, outside. 4 is came का went, okay, WENT, went. 5th का pick है, तो pick का होता है drop, ठीक है, DROP, drop. False का true, TRUE. bitter मतलब कड़वा, तो उसको होता है sweet, ओके. एंड देन straight का ऑपोजिट इज curly. तो straight बिकॉज straight इज मतलब सीधा एंड curly इज in curls या curves, ओके. अंडरस्टूड? now number 4 we'll come to write 3 rhyming words. Okay, write 3 rhyming words में number 1 is bound, तो इसका found, round and sound. ठीक है, FOUND found, ROUND round and SOUND sound. number 2 trick, उसका brick, prick and kick, तो BRICK brick, PRICK prick and KICK kick. फिर है lame, तो उसका आएगा GAME game, NAME name and TAME tame. then shook, उसका book, BOOK, cook, COOK and TOOK took. फिर land, उसका BAND band, HAND hand and SAND sand. Okay students, now question number 5, read the lines and fill in the blanks. अब ये लाइन्स हमको रीड करनी है एंड नेक्स्ट पेज पे जो ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं वो वी हैव टू फिल इट. सी सो इन द हार्ट ऑफ अ सीड buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. अब इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है? It is that in the heart of a seed. Okay, मतलब seed के heart में it is deeply buried, that is a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Okay, मतलब जल्दी जल्दी it is laying fast asleep. Okay, then wake, said the sunshine, sunshine ने wake बोला, and creep to the light. Okay, creep to the light. Wake, said the voice, again फिर voice ने भी wake बोला, of the raindrops bright. ठीक है. So now we will come to the blanks. See, the seed is buried dash into the ground. तो वो कैसे buried है? Deep into the ground. Then number 2, a dash lay asleep inside the seed. Seed के अंदर क्या है? तो it is a plant. Okay, options we are given, उसमें से just we have to select the correct option. The dash asked the plant to creep to the light. Creep to the light के लिए कौन बोल रहा है? तो sunshine. Then the raindrops asked the plant to dash. Raindrops क्या बोल रहे हैं? Wake up या fall asleep, तो it is wake up. Okay. Then the word dash rhymes with light. Light के साथ क्या आ रहा है? Bright. Okay. Now next is write the sound of birds, animals and things. जो यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स एंड थिंग्स, उसका वी हैव टू राइट द साउंड्स. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वन इज कैट्स, तो कैट्स म्यू. नंबर 2 कॉक्स, तो कॉक्स क्रो. काउस मू. डॉग्स बार्क. डोंकीज ब्रे. डक्स क्वैक. गोट्स ब्लीट. हॉर्सेस ने. लायंस रोर. माइस स्क्वीक. monkeys chatter. Owls hoot. Pigeons coo. Bells ring. Clocks tick and guns boom. Okay, most of them we have already done, so just complete this all. Okay students, so here we have finished the poem part of this unit number 4. So complete it all in your workbook and then learn it thoroughly. Okay.